have I also do pre-screenings for movies. So I forgot because it's just like with COVID and stuff, we haven't done it in a while. But we're gearing back up for it in March. But we'll do pre-screening for movies, which basically a movie will come out on a Friday, right? We have an entertainment group. I work with this gentleman in an entertainment group where I work with the manager of a local theater, and we rent out the whole theater from him. It's super cheap to rent out a whole theater. So we rent out the whole theater from him, and then we charge, a certain amount to get into the movie, and then I'll get a cut of that. So that's something where I'll go out like on a Thursday night because we're able to show, we get the license from the movie theater and from the screening team from let's say Paramount puts it on. We'll get it from Paramount, right? And then we'll get it from them and we're able to show it earlier so people want to get in and see that, like we did with Black Panther, we did it with Avengers, like all of those different pre-screenings. And so then I'll get a cut of that. And I get to see the movie for free, right? And like I'm a movie head, I'm a gamer, right? That's me. So